If you are not following us, you will probably won't see us again. But if you are, then congratulations, you are growing every single day. In the age of agentic AI, every smart agent needs reliable ways to connect to tools, data, and external services. But today, that infrastructure is fragmented, centralized, and expensive. Enter SN114 SOMA, Bittensor's decentralized MCP, Model Context Protocol, infrastructure subnet. Miners compete weekly to build the best algorithms that solve real MCP tasks. Validators score them rigorously. With a tiny 927K MC and insane 269% APY, this is the plumbing layer every agent will run on. Welcome to SOMA, where raw intelligence becomes usable action. AI agents today are powerful in theory, but crippled in practice. Connecting them to real tools and data requires custom integrations that are slow, fragile, and expensive. Centralized platforms charge premium fees and create single points of failure. Developers waste months building the same plumbing over and over. The bottleneck? No open, competitive, production-ready infrastructure layer for AI agents to securely interact with the outside world. Trillions in agent potential trapped by bad plumbing. SN114 SOMA solved this with Bittensor's incentive layer. It turns MCP infrastructure into a weekly global competition. Miners submit algorithms that solve real agent tasks, starting with context compression. Validators run rigorous scoring. Only the best solutions win TAO. This creates continuous improvement, production-grade reliability, and open access for every agent in the ecosystem. SOMA isn't building agents. It's building the standardized infrastructure every agent will need. The solution? Decentralized agent plumbing at scale. What is SN114? SN114 SOMA is Bittensor's MCP infrastructure subnet. It enables AI models and agents to securely interact with external tools and data sources through standardized model context protocol servers. Miners compete weekly to deliver the highest performing algorithms. Validators score quality, performance, and reliability. Current stats: price $2.62, market cap 927K, 269% APY, safe 35th emissions rank. Live code, active GitHub, weekly competitions already running. SOMA is the decentralized backbone for the entire agent economy. The real-world problem. Every AI agent needs to call APIs, access databases, and use tools. But today, this requires fragile custom code and expensive centralized services. Context windows explode costs, integrations break constantly, and there is no standardized way to do it securely at scale. This slows the entire agent economy and keeps most agents trapped in chat interfaces. The problem? Production-grade, decentralized infrastructure for AI agents to act in the real world. How SN114 SOMA addresses it. SOMA creates a permissionless weekly competition where anyone can submit MCP algorithms. Validators automatically test and score them on quality, speed, and reliability. Winners become the default infrastructure for that cycle. This forces continuous improvement and delivers production-ready, open-source solutions, starting with context compression to slash inference costs dramatically. The entire Bittensor agent ecosystem now has reliable plumbing. How it works. Miners register a hotkey and submit one algorithm per weekly cycle for the active MCP task. The platform runs automated screening and qualification. Executors then test the solutions in sandbox environments. Validators score based on performance and reliability. The top-ranked miner wins the entire subnet emission for that week. The system self-improves every single cycle. Pure decentralized infrastructure competition. Uniqueness and specialty. SOMA is the only subnet building standardized MCP infrastructure with weekly winner-takes-all competitions. Unique combination of model context protocol servers plus Bittensor incentives. First task, context compression, already delivers massive cost savings for agents. Fully open source, production ready, and designed for cross-subnet integration. Specialty, the universal plumbing layer that turns every Bittensor agent from chat to action. Who needs this? Consumers. Every developer building AI agents. Every subnet that needs tool calling or data access. Companies deploying agentic workflows. Future consumer apps that run autonomous agents. In short, anyone who wants agents that can actually do real work instead of just chatting. SOMA serves the entire emerging agent economy. The competitive edge, weekly open competition versus slow corporate development. Insane 269% APY attracts top talent immediately. Micro 927K MC with massive agent narrative upside. Production-ready MCP servers that any subnet can plug into. Open source and permissionless versus closed platforms. SOMA, the unfair advantage for the entire agent ecosystem. The TAO Ecosystem. In the Bittensor landscape, SOMA owns the agent infrastructure niche completely. Every agentic subnet needs reliable tool calling and data access. SOMA provides the standardized layer. No direct rival for production-grade MCP infrastructure. Perfect synergy with every inference, simulation, and agent subnet. This positions TAO as the complete stack for both intelligence and action. The brain and the hands united. SOMA versus FlameWire and centralized competitors. Let's compare SOMA head-to-head. SN97 FlameWire excels at multi-chain RPC infrastructure, but is primarily focused on blockchain node access, not agent-specific MCP. LangChain's LangGraph is great for orchestration, but fully centralized with no crypto incentives. AWS Bedrock agents and Microsoft Copilot Studio are serverless, yet locked in proprietary clouds. Google Vertex AI is powerful but expensive and cloud-locked. Trey.io's Merlin AI handles workflows but lacks any decentralized rewards. SOMA's edge? Pure decentralized weekly competitions, winner-takes-all MCP servers, and open incentives that drive continuous improvement no single company can match. This is why SOMA becomes the default plumbing for the entire agent economy. Architecture. Our split service architecture features a dedicated MCP platform, sandbox execution, miner submission portal, and validator scoring loop. This allows fully automated weekly competition cycle submission window, automated screening, live qualification, and final scoring. Validators run enterprise-grade integrity checks, while executors handle sandbox testing. Epsilon Pareto-style ranking ensures only the most reliable algorithms win. Scalable, secure, and built for production agent workloads across the entire Bittensor ecosystem. Is SN114 SOMA production ready? SOMA is fully production ready, with live code, active GitHub commits as recent as today, and thousands of automated evaluations running every week. Miners and validators are already earning real TAO rewards right now through weekly competitions. Revenue potential is massive through premium MCP services, cross-subnet integrations, and future enterprise licensing. The infrastructure is stable, secure, and already serving the growing agent community today, not in some distant future. Partnerships and backing, built by the high-signal Dendrite HQ team, the same minds behind early Bittensor infrastructure tools, strong ecosystem support, and 100% community-driven development, positioned perfectly for deep integrations with major agent frameworks and every tool calling subnet on Bittensor. Real builder energy, with production focus from day one and open governance roadmap. This isn't just another subnet. It's a collective building the foundation for the entire agent economy. Roadmap and updates. we are rapidly expanding MCP task types from context compression to full tool calling and multimodal capabilities. Recent GitHub updates include improved sandbox security and validator public IP automation. Constant anti-gaming improvements and performance optimizations keep the network a pure meritocracy. The roadmap is laser-focused on becoming the default infrastructure layer for every agent in Bittensor and beyond, future-proofing the plumbing that will power the agent supercycle. The bull case. The bull case is 100x plus. As the agent economy explodes into a multi-trillion-dollar market, SOMA becomes the standardized MCP infrastructure every agent uses. A move from 927k MC to 93 million plus is highly realistic as adoption spreads across Bittensor and beyond. Combined with TAO growth and 269% APY compounding, early stakers are looking at legendary returns. This is how you own the plumbing behind the entire agent revolution. The bear case. Bear case. Agent adoption timeline could be slower than expected, and technical complexity is high. However, the 35th emissions rank provides strong protection. Weekly competitions keep momentum high, and the narrative tailwind of agentic AI is unstoppable. SOMA is built for the long game, where every agent needs reliable infrastructure. We are bear-proof because the entire industry is moving toward agentic workflows. Staking math. TAO at $185.77. Stake 5 TAO, around $929 at 269% APY. That's roughly $208 a month in passive income today. But do the math. If SOMA hits its 100x plus target, your monthly rewards explode into $20,000 plus. You are staking the very infrastructure layer that will power the entire agent economy. Highest yield, highest conviction play in Bittensor right now. SN114 SOMA is building the decentralized infrastructure every AI agent will run on. With nuclear 269% APY, safe emissions, live competitions, and the hottest narrative in AI, it's primed for 100x plus. Stake now at thesoma.ai. Own the plumbing. Join the revolution. The future of AI isn't just intelligent, it's actionable. Happy staking. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. The new age slogan is, don't wait to buy TAO, buy TAO and wait. Our intention is to bring once-in-a-lifetime opportunity Bittensor directly to your screen. Data as of March 8th, 2026. Join us at Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha.